In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or update logo in Calendly. We'll start inside your Calendly account. Open Calendly in your browser and sign in if you're prompted. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the top right corner for your profile name or avatar. Click it to open the account menu, then choose branding. This is where you control the visuals that appear on your scheduling pages. On the branding page, find the logo section and select Upload Image. Choose a clear, high-quality file from your computer. PNG or JPG files work best, and a square image is ideal so it doesn't crop awkwardly on your booking page. If your logo has a transparent background, a PNG will preserve that transparency and usually looks cleaner against Calendly's page styles. Aim for a high-resolution version to avoid blurriness, but keep the file size manageable so it loads quickly for your invitees. After you select the file, Calendly will show a preview. Take a moment to make sure the logo isn't cut off and that it has enough padding so it doesn't feel cramped. If needed, go back to your image editor, add a bit of space around it, and re-upload the improved version. When the preview looks the way you want, click Apply to confirm your upload. Next, look for the option labeled Use Calendly Branding. Turn this off if you want your own logo to be the primary branding on your booking pages. Keep in mind this toggle may depend on your plan and permissions. If you don't see it, you might need a plan that supports removing platform branding or the right admin access within your organization. With your logo applied and your branding preference set, finish by clicking Save Changes. This step locks in everything you've done so your booking pages display the updated logo. You should see the change take effect shortly. If the update isn't visible right away, give it a moment and refresh your page. Sometimes caches can delay what you see by a minute or two. A few quick tips to keep your brand looking sharp. Use consistent colors between your logo and your event types for a polished, professional feel. Avoid very small text in the logo as it can be hard to read on mobile. And keep a master copy of your logo in a square, high-resolution format so future updates are quick. That's it. You've uploaded your logo, applied it, adjusted the platform branding, and saved your changes so your Calendly pages now reflect your brand with confidence.